Imagine doubling your profits with tools that you already have. Did you know that Go High Level is packed with hidden features? Today, I'll show you 3 secret features, and the last one is an absolute game changer. Take a look at this pipeline. What do you see? A list of names? First, stop treating your pipeline like a contact list instead of a system that moves your leads forward. You're losing a lot of money this way. I want you to think of your sales process as a journey. Your pipeline is the roadmap that guides every lead from start to finish. Go High Level has a customizable pipeline feature that lets you design your system for your leads. But how can you profit from this? Think of it like this. A lead comes in. The pipeline moves them to a contacted stage, then a qualified stage. But do you think it's missing something? What about the leads who didn't qualify? For the leads that went quiet, add a re-engagement step. I added this step to my pipeline a few months ago. Automating follow-ups at 7, 14, and 30 days. The result? A 20% boost in conversions. That's a huge difference if you ask me. After this video, look at your pipeline. Find those lost leads in your pipeline and set up a re-engagement stage with a follow-up sequence. Just a simple check-in message or an exclusive offer. If it works, then come back and subscribe. Now let's talk about speed. What's the difference between winning a sale and losing it? It often comes down to one thing: response time. Imagine this. A lead fills out your form and then waits. No response. Meanwhile, your competitor replies within seconds. Who do you think wins that sale? How can you fix that? You can set up advanced workflows in GHL. The second a lead submits a form, they can get an instant, warm reply, just like hearing back from a close friend. Let me put it into perspective. Research shows that leads contacted within 5 minutes are 9 times more likely to convert. If you were closing just 10 deals before, now you could be closing 90. If you were getting 50 conversions, that jumps to 450. Isn't that a complete game changer? A few months ago, I set up a simple automation for this. When a lead fills out a form, they receive a personalized SMS or email. Then, a follow-up message after 24 hours. This gave me higher engagement and a lot more conversions. So, to boost your conversions, go to your Go High Level account and set up this automation. Keep it simple. No complex funnels, no unnecessary steps. Just speed and connection. And if you think this is impressive, wait until you see feature 3. Tell me, what's the first thing you check before buying something online? Reviews. Your prospects do the same. Your problem is that you don't actively collect reviews. That's a massive missed opportunity. Think about it. Did you ever leave a review without being asked? Exactly. And that's why Go High Level's reputation management system is a game changer. It automates review collection, reaching out to your happiest clients at just the right moment. The more positive reviews you collect, the more trust you build. And more trust, that means more sales. Now, I could tell you exactly how to use this to flood your business with 5-star reviews, but let's do something different. Instead of just handing you the answer, I want to make it worth your time. So here's the deal. If you want the full strategy and the exact setup I use to collect reviews on autopilot, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.